Today's video is about an unexpected and unfortunate incident faced by a pregnant elephant. This video is about a sad story in contrast to the other videos we have seen before. If a pregnant elephant was shot ruthlessly, what would happen to the embryo that the mother elephant had kept safeguarded within its belly? Stay till the end of the video to observe the rescue mission to save the life of the mother elephant and the elephant calf. Actually, this is an example of the elephant-human conflict. This elephant is a pregnant elephant. Elephants rarely leave their herd, but when they can't find food within the herd, they move to the surrounding communities in search of food and water. Unfortunately, this frequently puts them in danger, as they may end up entangled in traps or even be fired at by people with guns. This pregnant mother has been shot by someone with a ruthless heart while roaming around human settlements in search of some food. Yes, that person might not have known that the elephant was bearing a baby. However, the impolite action resulted in an extremely sad moment. With unbearable pain, the injured elephant has managed to enter the forest. In the video clip, the elephant has clearly apparent wounds on its leg and mouth. The villagers have noticed that the pregnant mother has fallen on the ground, suffering from severe pain. Once some of the kind villagers manage to take a close look at the elephant, they discover that it is in a very weak position and even notice a baby elephant lying close to it. The villagers have managed to make a shelter. How could they ignore these valuable lives? The villagers took the necessary steps to contact the wildlife conservation officials. As soon as they were notified about the incident, wildlife conservation officials made their way to the forest to take a look at the situation of the elephants. Then, after assessing the critical stage of the baby and the mother, the wildlife conservation officials informed the veterinary department regarding the weak animals. Veterinary officials have the ability to save any injured animal. Soon after they are informed, a crew of veterinary officials venture to the location right away, bearing in mind their duty and responsibilities. Now, this whole process is taken to the hands of the life saviors. After examining the injured elephant, the veterinary doctor starts the treatment by inserting a cannula into the ear vein of the elephant. Then, the doctor decides to administer saline to the elephant. Then you can see the dead baby elephant. It is actually an embryonic elephant. While the mother elephant is given medications, the doctor examines the baby. The officials wash the baby and confirm that the embryonic elephant is dead. The reason for the death is the infection of the mother elephant after the gunshot. The mother has delivered the baby before the baby is fully developed, and the baby was born dead. Back to the mother elephant. The necessary amount of saline is administered into its body. Then the wounds are treated. The wounds are washed with saline solution. The wound is then cleaned more deeply by an official using forceps and cotton wool. This step is done with the aim of scraping off the dead and infected tissue within the wound, because it is not possible for a wound to heal with necrosis tissue surrounding it. They even use an anti-infection spray on the wound. This antiseptic, fly-repellent spray serves as a protective external coating to the wound. After that, they started cleaning the wound with saline water once again. A syringe is used to inject povidone iodine into the wound. The elephant is injected with the rest of the medicine, including antibiotics, multivitamins, painkillers, and other necessary medicines. Of course, these medications are necessary to boost the recovery process of the injured elephant. As you can see, some of the villagers with kind hearts make an effort to make some fruit juice for the elephant. They are with the aim of protecting the innocent animals that dwell around them. That was clearly displayed by the time the officials arrived. The villagers managed to prepare the necessary nutrition the elephant needed, and they made an effort to feed the fruit juice through a hose. Not only that, villagers bathed the elephant with some water in an effort to relieve the painful situation of the suffering elephant. After the medications are done, the doctor assigns an officer to monitor the progress of this female elephant. An investigation is currently being conducted to identify the person or group of people responsible for this act. There are 2 more videos regarding the process of this innocent animal, so stay with us to watch the next videos of the mother elephant's recovery. Thanks for watching.